Here is Buzz app. It's a popular app in social networking. It's a kind of new walkie-talkie app. Where you just can talk to your friends like a walkie-talkie on a speaker. It's a simple yet powerful audio-based messaging app designed for direct and essential communication, allowing you to effortlessly connect with family and friends. Stay connected through voice even when your phone is locked. Buzz is available across all platforms, including iPhone, iPad, and now on Apple Watch. You can use it on Apple Watch, and this app got a lot of improvements in the latest months, and it's one of the best apps to use. So here is the app. You just can add friends. You can have a friend, and then what you're doing, you just hi there, and then you just push into talk. And what happens then? Your friend just receives like a voice message, which just hi there can be listened also separately, like a voice message. Also, then you can just add a plus icon. You can share your location. You can add your images. You can add video. You can add this voice emojis. You can change the autoplay on or off if you're a bit annoyed by autoplay. Then you can also see your contacts. You can chat with AI characters. That's a new addition here. And then you can create a group. You can add friends. So that's just the idea. Then you have all of these additional settings. So there are a lot of new settings, a lot of new developments in this app recently. So that's what it is. I think also if you lock your phone, it will still kind of work on a lock screen. So you can just use this app without constantly unlocking your device. You can also delete your account in the bottom here. So there are a bunch of other apps like 1010, but 1010 app was quite buggy, to be honest. So it's just became quite a buggy app, and a lot of people couldn't use it. And seems Buzz app is much more stable app which you can use. So try it out.